One of the most important topics in ratios is comparison of ratios. How do we compare ratios? Say we have to compare 5:7 and 7:9. Just by looking at the ratios, it's difficult to say which one is greater. In order to compare them, we need to follow 3 simple steps. The first step is to write the ratios as fractions. This ratio can be written as 5/7, and this ratio can be written as 7/9. The second step is super important. It says that we have to make the denominators of the fractions same. That is, to compare 2 fractions, we need to make their denominators same. The question is, what should be the common denominator? Well, there are many numbers which can be chosen as the common denominator, but ideally, it should be the LCM of the existing denominators. What we need to find here is the LCM of 7 and 9. Since 7 and 9 have no common factors, their LCM can directly be written as the product of 7 and 9. We get the LCM as 63. This 63 is the least common multiple of both these numbers. Actually, we can choose the common denominator as any common multiple of these 2 numbers. But choosing the LCM of these 2 numbers just makes it more convenient. Coming back to our point, we have to make the denominators of the ratios as 63. So 5/7 should be written as something upon 63. Now it gets interesting. To get 63 in the denominator, we had to multiply the original denominator by 9. And to keep value of the ratio same, we also have to multiply the numerator by 9. And 5 times 9 gives us 45. The first ratio can be written as 45/63. The second ratio, 7/9, should also be written as something upon 63. In this case, to get 63 in the denominator, we have to multiply the denominator by 7. And to keep the ratio same, we also multiply the numerator by 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Hence, the second ratio is written as 49/63. As I said before, this is the most important step in comparison of ratios. Once we make the denominators same, there's only one super simple step left. It's comparing the numerators. The numerators are 45 and 49. And 45 is less than 49. It means that this ratio is less than this ratio. And this ratio equals 5/7 and this ratio equals 7/9. Hence, 5/7 is less than 7/9. Hence, 5:7 is less than 7:9. Of course, there are simpler ways to compare ratios, but this was the underlying concept. Write as fractions, make the denominators same, and then compare the numerators.